Buonasera, Linda. Just to let you know, since you were so intent on letting me know that we were an Italian family. Well, we are an Italian family. Just to let you know, the other day when I was in Rome, I found my family, my real family. Yes, my real family. My mama and my papa, Rosa and Gianni Mariani. They own a nice little vineyard right out of Roma. I found them very nice. They love me just like a son. So just to let you know, I'm gonna move to Rome. I'm going to retire probably the middle of next year, and then I'm going to move there. And because they love me like a son, I'm going to be able to work on the vineyard. I'm going to produce a nice bottle of wine. I'll be more than happy to send you one, just because I still love you, even though from this point on you would not be in my family anymore. So just to let you know, I still love you. I love everybody else. Arrivederci, ciao.